Now let's say we need a comment section or a feedback section or somewhere to write his thoughts. So we should be adding something called a text area. Now a text area is as simple as a huge text area or a bigger text box, you could call. Okay, so I messed it up because I just have a single column here. I could just also have this now. So this is fixed now, so you could enter whatever you want. Now, oops, okay, that's why. Okay, so what it does is rows 10, meaning it pretty much sizes, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 10 rows, and pretty much it gives you 10 columns. So pretty much 10 rows, 10 lines, and 10 letters width is what it means. So that's what we have here. You could also have a ready-made message. Let's say when you load your page, this is a message you see, and you could probably delete this or even right next to that. So that's why we have this text area to allow large text.